I'm walking to Cheriton Road Cemetery in Folkestone in Kent to take a closer look at a tomb that I've known about for years, but I don't really know anything about it. I haven't seen it for a good while, but from memory it's a big monument with drapery on one side, and I think it's to Germans who died in some sort of disaster. You've got the walls of the cemetery here, which are about 6'6" high. I can't see over, but I will be able to with the camera. Here we are at the gates, and here it is, Cheriton Road Cemetery. Lots of people walk their dogs through here. And last night when I was walking past, it was dark and I could smell cannabis coming over the wall, and then two people came out of the cemetery. So it's used for a variety of things, this cemetery these days. And over there is the abandoned chapel, the abandoned and bricked up chapel. I thought this monument was somewhere around here. Where on earth is it? And I can see it over there just through the gravestones. So let's go have a closer look. And there it is. I couldn't quite remember the shape of it, but it's an obelisk. And there on the side is the drapery that I remember and gold lettering. I don't think there's any other lettering on it. Let me just check. No, nothing else, so just that one on the front. Now, MIT SMS. MIT is with, I think, but it's obviously not short messaging service. Something else back then. Is it a regiment? So I don't speak German, so I've no idea what it says. So I'm going to try Google Translate to see if it'll help me. 31st of May. Good old Google Translate. Let's go. 1878. So this is what Google Translate gives me. Commemorating the May the 31st, 1878 with SMS Great Elector, lost comrades, the German Navy. SMS must be the equivalent of like his or her Majesty's ship, is it? Great Elector sounds like a ship name. They were in the German Navy. 1878 marine disaster. Let's find out about this disaster. And what I also want to find out is, are there any records of the German Navy that still survive? Is there anyone alive who were descended from these people? And what can we find out about other family history records for Germany around this time? The sun's out now, can lose the hat. And not far away from the monument is another maritime tomb with a big anchor on the top. Being a seaside town, I guess there are lots of people buried here who are connected to the sea in one way or another, or new people who are connected to the sea. And I was just about to leave when I've seen this sign about the cemetery over here. So there's a Friends of Folkestone Cemetery, and there's some very brief details about this monument there, which says 284 German sailors perished when the Ironclad Grosser Kurfürst collided with its flagship König Wilhelm in the Channel in 1878. I'm really sorry that my German pronunciation is so terrible, but 284 sailors then died. Were all the bodies recovered? Are they all buried there? 284 of them? Did anyone survive? Who knows? Let's find out.
You can continue the story with the next edited episode. Or watch the full unedited and uncut version of this episode. Or what about watching this new family history story? Click here to subscribe to the channel to find out about all future episodes. Thanks for watching.